Hey y'all, it's Leslie, and I'm here today. I want to show you a pin that I made. I actually made this years ago for my mom. She was diagnosed with colon cancer that had metastasized to her liver and other places. Anyway, and so she was wearing pins on her crocheted hats, and she started wearing the pins that were for her crocheted hats on her cardigan sweater that she wore. So anyway, I made her one, and I used a Jenga game piece, and as you can see, you know, I painted it with crackle paint. Well, Nina Ribena has a Art Journal Prompts Facebook group, and she does videos every Sunday that show the prompt for that week. And one week it was using for July, one of the July theme was puzzled, and then one week it was using Jenga pieces. And so I just wanted to show Nina and you guys that I had made one before. I didn't make one now for the prompt, but I just wanted to show you that I had done it. If the camera's jiggling a little bit, it's because I'm holding it with my hand. But I put the little flowers in there. This rose was handmade by me. Mom's favorite color was yellow. I could have done a better job because it's really tall, but you know what? It's okay. But I made this about 5 years ago for her. Painted the G in blue because blue and yellow were her favorite color. Put some of those little dainty flowers. And I just put a pin on the back. And to hide the pin workings and the glue and that sort of thing, I put a piece of green ribbon over the top, and I signed it, and it looks like it was 2011. So wow, that means that I made this 8 years ago. Wow. So that was before she had cancer. And here's a little bow with some seam binding at the bottom. I've done a little charm of a bird, and then a charm of this little dangle. And let me see if I can hold it up so you guys can see. I hope that doesn't change the camera angle for you. Let me see if I can get it in the light a little bit. Goodness gracious. There's shadows. Maybe you can see a little bit, but it hangs down like that. Yeah, I think you can see that. And this was the top. So, I mean, I would have done a lot different now. After, you know, 8 years of practice of doing different things, I would have done some differently, but love that crackle. And the little flowers peeking out, I love that too. And I love this down at the bottom. I wouldn't have changed that, so I probably would have just changed this rose just a little bit in the way that I made it. Okay, so thank you so much, and thank you, Nina, for all the inspiration every month if you happen to watch this video, and I will see you guys soon. Thanks. Bye. Please like and subscribe, and click the bell icon and like this video, please. Thanks. Bye.